Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be showing you how I took this picture from this to this. If you've not purchased my Lightroom presets, kindly do so because that's what we're going to be using for the pictures today. And if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to TT520 right here with me. So I'm putting it behind the background. We have to stand behind the background. The first thing you want to do is reduce your aperture as low as possible. I kept mine at F13. So, and then it's either you move your object so this side or this side, depending on how you want it. You take your pictures from here. So it will give you a silhouette, you understand? Something like this on your screen right now. That's what you'll be getting. That's when you're getting something like this from your camera direct, that's the raw file on your screen right there. So let's go for editing. Let's go edit the pictures. Okay guys, these are the pictures with same light settings and everything. So this is how we go about it. So let's start editing. We start with this one first. Take it to Photoshop. So we open it in Lightroom in our camera raw, since the camera raw works together with your Lightroom, so we don't have to go to Lightroom again, editing, and then we export. So it's just better we edit everything here in camera raw. So we either use this or this. We use anyone out of the both, but I think I prefer this one. So we go for the green, foreground green, then you open image. Yeah, so the images are open. So I have PNG an image download for a secret here, and I also have smoke PNG image here. So you either use your smoke brush or you download the PNG, anyone that is more suitable for you or more faster. So yeah, we move this and take it down here. Okay, then we change the blending mode to screen. Change the blend mode to screen. You know, on a black background is screen, on a white background is multiply. So that's how it is. So we use screen. Let's use screen. We are using screen here, more suitable for it. So you pick your eraser tool and then clean every other, the unwanted parts. Clean that part, those parts first, and then I think we're done here. Okay, we're not done yet. Okay, now you need to make it look real. So we select this, the red smoke parts, and then we add it together to the picture. Rather. Yep. So we have to zoom in so you see what you are doing. Yeah. So to make it look real, yes, then move your smoke closer. Okay, yes, we done. So this is how I get it. This is how I did the picture, guys. So if you like this picture, kindly subscribe, share with your friends and family. So if you want to, I think that's everything we are doing here. That's all majorly. No, we don't have any other thing to do again. Okay, you move the smoke up. The cigarette, yes. So the smoke should be behind. So that's it, guys. You can also do one more. Actually, we can also do one more for this. We can do this if we want. I think we should work on it. So this is it. We go to our Lightroom presets. So we have, this is the first one, but I think I prefer the green, the one with the green background. I think it's more nice. And then you open image. Okay guys, that's all. You crop for your Instagram size. We use 4x5 for Instagram, 8x10, 4x5. Yeah. Okay, let's crop it. So, and that's all. Like, really, man, guys. So this is how we do it. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. I'll see you sometime next week.